if I measure that end right there, then I should be able to go a little bit more. Oh, okay, about 16.7 or 16.5. And then boom, and you can just measure right here, 16.9. And what happens when we go to the very end? Very end. This is this quick, so how accurate is this to the very end? So if you see here, it's weird. The way it touches it, it's like it doesn't necessarily fully get there with that full potential. I'm not exactly sure why, but that seems to be always the case. There might be some kind of voltage drop versus what's being actually delivered versus the voltage drop throughout this. Perhaps if I measured it more directly, that does seem to be very slightly more. Yeah, measuring it directly and bypassing that altogether, bypassing this altogether, measuring it directly seems to give me the most accurate reading. As long as I can really pinpoint a certain. You can see as I move up, I'm getting a more and more accurate reading, or more closer and closer to what I need. And that is a variable resistor.